Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add a style border in on image in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the Excel document for the image. This image from the add style border and the image. Now click for the image. Now going to the format menu option. Now for click. Then click for the pixel border option. Then click for the dash option. Then is style. Now for click. Then again pixel border. Now click for the edit option. That's okay. Then show the add style border on image in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.